So in the
Morning, sir.
yeah. So in the last class we have done modeling, up to here. We have covered the eye part and we have done the nose part. Okay. So only half of the model we'll be doing and rest half we will be mirroring it. Okay. So have you guys tried? Have you done up to here?
I'm still in the process of finishing, sir.
Mhm. Okay, I'm gonna delete the left side part. Okay, and I'm keeping only this one. Okay. Now let us do up to forehead and let us do the lip part today. Okay. So to do forehead, what I have to do is select these edges. Okay. So I'm just selecting these edges, 1, 2, and this 5. Okay. And I'm coming over here. So always you have to look into the side view as well as the front view while doing. Okay. Like this. Always keep it like this. So now shift right click. I'm going to extrude this particular edges. So just lift this up. Okay. Lift this up and let's start working on this. It's like this here. This is something like this. This comes here like this. And this is little bit upside. Okay. And this one, it should be here. And this should go backside. This one, it should be here and should go backside like this. Okay. And I'll be selecting this particular edge. And this has to come little bit front. This has to come bit front like this. This has to be like this. And this also, it has to be like this. Okay. So then again, after this, select these same edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Select these edges, extrude one more time. This has to be like this. Let it come little bit front. Okay. Now here, select this vertex, place it here, and little bit up to here. Okay. So see this particular eye line is there, no? This one, this line, it has to go like this. It has to go straight like this. Okay. And it will be touching the back also. Okay. This particular line has to go straight. Okay.
Yes.
This is like this. See, it's something like a spider web. The spider web, it will just keep on growing while the line grows along with the distance, right? Like that it has to be. We need to work on it like this. And this has to be curvy, yeah? While making, make sure it is curvy, bit curvy. It has to maintain that. Okay. Then after this, again, I'm selecting the same edges, extrude this. This is up to here, little bit backside. Okay. Again, I'll extrude one more time, little bit up and backside like this. So this almost covers the forehead part. So then I'll come to vertex mode. So select this particular vertex. This has to be here a little bit. You just have to move here like this, and this has to be here. This you need to move like this, and this one has to be here like this, and this has to be here like this. Like this. Okay. Like this. Similarly, this one, it has to be here, and you can move a bit. This has to be here like this, and you can move a bit. Okay. It should go like this. Same way, this here like this. This has to be here like this, and you can move a bit. Similarly, this one is here like this. So this is something like this here. Okay. And this one like this. So now I'll come to the perspective view. In perspective view, this is looking like this. Okay. And obviously this has to come bit front. This also has to come bit front. This has to be a bit front like this. And I'll come over here. So like this. Okay. Any doubts? So what I'll do, I'll just mirror this in -x with merge threshold as 0.01. You remember this number always, 0.01 merge threshold. Okay. See?
Yeah.
So you're almost getting, an output something like this. So, okay, what I'll do after this, seems here, this part has to go a little bit inside. And this little bit inside. I think the rest is fine. Okay. It's like this. Okay, curvy. Make sure whenever you arrange a mesh, make sure the lines are a bit curvy. Okay, then only the output will come. So I'll save this. Edit, delete by type history. I'm gonna delete the history as well. Meanwhile, okay. Then after this, let me save this as another file. Save as 03. Then what I'll do? Let us work on the lip part. Okay, I'll show you, how to do. Take only this edge, just one edge, just below the nose part. No, between the holes, we have a part. You just touch and feel that. You need to touch how it is. Okay, so just take this one edge. I'll come over here. So this one edge, shift right click extrude. Just place it like this. Okay. Okay, I'm just placing it somewhere here like this, just one edge. Okay. Then I am extruding this one more time. One you place it here, extrude one more time to the lip part. It should come to the lip part. So it's here like this, and it's here like this. Okay. And the first line, this first line, select this line. This should go inside and this should come outside. Not too much, because here this particular part, if you touch and if you feel that, just touch and feel, that is inside. This part, it is inside, and this is outside. Okay, that's the reason I'm just placing this outside. Okay, understood? After this, I'm selecting this edge. Okay, extrude this one time like this, and you have to push this backside. Extrude one more time like this, push this backside. Extrude one more time like this, again push this backside. Extrude one more time like this, and push this backside like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You need 5 faces here on the top side of the lip, and 5 faces on the bottom side of the lip. Whereas eye, it is 6 face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Eye is 6 plus 6, 12 faces. Whereas lip is 5 plus 5, 10 faces. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, I'm selecting this particular vertex, place it here and to the back side. See the way this line, eye line is there. No, similarly, this is the lip line. This line should come like this. Observe the cursor, which is moving. The line should be like this. You know the puppets, right? Puppet show, puppet. For the puppet, the lower jaw, you have a line. There is a separation because lower jaw movement will be there. Okay, upper jaw doesn't move. Only lower jaw will move when there is a when it is talking. So we should have a low one line should come like this. Okay, it's over here. Then I'm just spreading this a bit. That's it. Okay. Then after this, I'm gonna select this particular edge, extrude this, just place it here. Let it come a little bit front. Okay. Extrude this one more time like this. Let this come bit up. Okay. I need to work on this. This one will be here. See this character, he is smiling here. Okay, so that's the reason, you know, this particular cheek part, okay, it is covering. So look at this here. So based on this, you do the placement. Okay. So now again, here already 1, 2 face is, I'm selecting this edge. I'm extruding this method. Means one more. This is the third face. Again, fourth face. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth one. It's like this. That's okay. Place this here. Place this here. And this one here. So now select this vertex X, hold X, snap to grid. Select this one, snap to grid. Let it be bit down. This is here. This one has to be here like this. Okay. So observe this carefully and you do. Okay. This is how the lip part, we have arranged. Okay. Understood?
Yes.
So after this, what I'm gonna do is select these 1, 2, 3, 4. Except this edge, except this particular edge. 1, 2, 3, 4. Select this 4 edge. Extrude this one time. Move it up. Move it little bit up. Okay. And this has to go a bit back. Got it? Now what I'll do, I'll come over here. I'll select this particular vertex. C is snap to point. Sorry, V is snap to point. Select this, hold V, middle mouse, drag. Select this, hold V, drag. So now I'm selecting this two. I'm gonna merge this. Merge to center. Select the vertex. Shift right click. Merge vertices. Merge to center. Okay. Got it? Now we have a vertex here. And I'm gonna select this. So I can push this backside. If I extrude, I get one more mesh. So this will be a triangle. Let's not do that. Okay, let's do one thing. I'm gonna select this V snap to point like this. Okay. And I'm selecting this. Shift right click, merge vertices. Okay. Something like this. Then after this, I'm gonna push this little bit backside. This one, it should come like this. Okay. Then I'm selecting these edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now I'm extruding this little bit inside. Then I'm extruding this outside. It should go outside. So let us work on this particular part. This has to be here, as you know that. This has to be here. This we need to spread this like a web. So I'm selecting this. You need to match both the side. You need to see here and place here. Okay, like this. This one, I'm gonna spread this. I'm gonna spread this little bit backside. I'm selecting this here like this. This is okay. So then after this, I'm selecting this edge again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. I'm extruding this over here once. Okay. Then again, select this. This has to come here, here. This one here, and here. This is here. This is here. It's here. So next, I'm selecting the same edges. I'm extruding this. Place it like this. Again, it's like this. This is here, like this. This is here, like this. Again, this is here. It's okay. Then go back to edges again. Then again, I'm extruding this here like this. So you need to take it and just place it over here like this. Okay. Okay, see, I have just extruded and I just placed it like this. So make sure it is something, like this. Okay, any doubts up to here? Then after this, see if you notice here, here we have something. Any doubts up to here?
No.
No, sir.
Okay. So observe this mesh. How many mesh has to come? Okay, it has to be like this only. So, so after this, I'm selecting these edges 1, 2, 3, and 4. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's all connecting, it's like connecting dots. Like that only we have to do. Already we have created a mesh. Now these edges has to extrude and it should be merged with the last vertex has to merge with this. Like that only we have to do. Okay. I'm extruding this. It's like this. And here, again, this will spread. This will be connecting with this particular vertex. So I'm selecting this. I'm going to merge this. Now this one, I'm selecting and I'm placing this here like this. And here, if you observe here, this vertex and this has to be merged. Select this, snap to point, select this, both merged. Okay. Actually, this is really, interesting. It's like a playing game. Okay. I can select this and I can extrude this. It's over here like this and bring it something here. So now select these two vertex. You can merge this. Okay. This has to come here like this. This has to come here and this has to be here. We have one edge here. So this we need to extrude. So what we can do is this one, let's merge with this. Select this, merge, and this one, merge to center. Okay. So then remaining is these things. So what I'll do here, I can extrude these two. I'll extrude this and I'm gonna place this here like this. So this will be merging with this, means it will be merging with this particular vertex, and this we can merge this with these two, merge like this. I can merge these two like this. So here we are forming cheek. This cheek is a bit bulgy, so I'm just selecting that. Okay, like this. Then later, even I can merge with this and this. So now I'll select this, this and this. I'm gonna extrude this, wherein now this vertex, these two merge here. Okay, I think there is a triangle here. So we should not have triangle. Make sure there are no triangles. This one snap to here, select this. So what I'll do, so we should not have triangles. So I think this particular edge I need to extrude so that it can come here like this. I can merge these two and we can merge here these two. Okay. So there are no triangles now. Got it? So we can have it like this. So make sure you, whatever you things has to go curvy. It's like this. We need to match this properly. Okay. So it's almost done. So then again, extrude 1, 2, 3, and 4. Extrude this here like this. Now this one, it should go here. So I did merge this. This should come here. This should come here. This is here. And I'm merging this. So this will be here. This will be here like this. And again, this one here. So we need to match this. Okay. Means it should spread and it should go. Okay. Like this. Okay. So the line, I'm adjusting front view, side view, both at a time so that, uh, it is not kind of a hard mode. Okay. So what I suggest you do eye, nose and lip part. Lip part actually we need to work on it. Okay. Wherein the inner part we need to do that we will do later. Okay. for time being, just get an outer area like this. See, we have done up to here. We need to work on this remaining part. Okay. Any doubt is there up to here? How to do?
No.
It takes time. Okay. I'll tell you, face modeling to get a realistic output, it takes time. It is not that simple. So in the meantime, it's not that complicated also, but you need to be really focused, okay, while working on this. So almost see we are getting, an output. So I'll just mirror this in -x and merge threshold as 0.01. Okay. So we almost got an output like this. Understood? Later after modeling, when we do the
Yes.
texturing part, this character looks so real. Okay. So if you are able to do, this, face modeling, you can try out with different faces as well. You can try your face only. Okay. So I'll save this. You try up to here. Okay. So it has to be smoother surface. Okay. Means the line flow has to be smoother. And here the important part is line flow only, nothing else. Okay. Okay. Fine then. So I'll be uploading. Okay, I'll be uploading this video. So if any doubt is there, you can go through the video. Okay, at least by next class I'll be completing this one. Okay, so we just have to cover up the back part. As per this, we need to build a face like this, and this one we will be building face up to this particular part. Then as a cylinder part, like the shoulder, the neck part will be covered. Means it will be extruded. Once from here to here it is done. Later neck is the end part. We can just extrude it to down. It's very simple part. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, practice this. Whatever other work if you are doing, just stop that. Practice face part. Okay. This is very important in modeling. So I have deleted history. And make sure your face model is incremental. Okay, like 1, 2, 3. Because if any mistakes if you have done, you can go back to the previous question and you can start from there. Okay.
Okay.
Fine then. I'll be sharing this video. Okay. Let me
Okay. Thank you, sir.
know if you have any doubts. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.